Hi, welcome to Precisa. My name's Philip and I'm the product manager. Let me show you around the company.
Every masterpiece starts with the finest components. Our journey begins in Dietikon, Switzerland, where quality is checked from the very first step in our manufacturing office, located in the home of precision technology, cutting-edge design and expert manufacturing. We meticulously source and inspect every part to ensure they meet our exacting standards. Our expert production team brings it all together by hand. It's a blend of cutting-edge technology and human craftsmanship, where every precise connection matters. Every balance we create is engineered with relentless focus, where our experts fine-tune every component to deliver accuracy you can trust down to the smallest detail. But we don't just stop at assembly. Every device undergoes extensive, rigorous testing in our state-of-the-art labs, ensuring it can withstand the most demanding environments. Precision is our promise. We calibrate every product to the highest standards, ensuring you can trust your results every time. From our hands to yours, we take pride in every product that leaves our facility. Precision, quality, and reliability. That's the Precisa difference.
Thank you for joining us at Precisa, where we design, develop, and manufacture the balance of quality.